Today you learn English through the life of Steve Jobs. Today you learn English through the life of Steve Jobs, one of the most famous business leaders in technology. Early life. Steve Jobs was born in 1955 in California. He grew up in Silicon Valley and became interested in electronics at a young age. Starting Apple. In 1976, he founded Apple with Steve Wozniak. They started the company in a garage and worked on personal computers. Big ideas. Jobs believed technology should be simple and beautiful. He helped create products that changed the computer industry. Leaving and returning. In 1985, Jobs left Apple after problems inside the company. Years later, he returned and helped save the business. New success. After he returned, Apple became successful again. New products like the iMac, iPod, and iPhone brought the company global success. Legacy. Steve Jobs died in 2011, but his ideas still influence the world. Many people remember him for creativity, design, and bold vision.
Founded. He founded Apple with Steve Wozniak. Company. They started the company in a garage. Products. He helped create products that changed the industry. Returned. Years later, he returned to Apple. Successful. Apple became successful again.
Steve Jobs grew up in California and loved electronics. In 1976, he founded Apple and started the company in a garage. He wanted technology products to be simple and beautiful. After he left Apple, he later returned and helped the company become successful again. New Apple products brought global success. Today, many people still remember Steve Jobs for his ideas and vision.
In 1955, Steve Jobs was born in California. In 1976, he founded Apple with Steve Wozniak. In 1985, he left Apple after internal problems. In 1997, he returned to Apple and helped rebuild the company. In 2007, Apple introduced the iPhone and changed the phone industry.
Listen carefully. When did Steve Jobs return to Apple? Steve Jobs returned to Apple in 1997. Say this sentence with me. He founded Apple. He founded Apple. Say this sentence with me. He returned to the company. He returned to the company. Say this sentence with me. He became very successful. He became very successful. Today you learned English through the biography of Steve Jobs. Come back for more English biography lessons.